Hey, this is Margie from the Earth Heals. This is the first in our series of food preservation. We are sharing simple tips with big results. Today, we're preserving lemons. You will start by cleaning your lemons. Place them in a bowl of water with about a half a cup of white vinegar sprinkled with 3 tablespoons of baking soda. This will remove the bacteria and any pesticides on the fruit. You will drain and rinse well. Then you will place your clean whole lemons in a large, wide-mouth jar. Fill with water, seal, and then place them in the refrigerator. You will enjoy fresh lemons for weeks to come. I've heard possibly even months. I am on month 1 with great results. What a great feeling it is to enjoy fresh lemons and not have the disappointment of throwing away those dry, shriveled lemons from the bottom of your refrigerator. My lemons are still plump and juicy after 1 month.